In this video, I will be showing you a never before seen method of how you can do Pinterest affiliate marketing by creating user generated content like the ones you see online like these.
So you definitely should get this product on Amazon. I'll leave a link in my bio.
Without ever needing to actually show your face. That's right, I'll be showing you how you can use this brand new AI feature which will only take you less than 10 minutes to complete so you can start generating an extra couple $1,000s a month. So we need to address the elephant in the room, which is first things first, what is affiliate marketing? In simple terms, in case you don't know what it is yet, essentially how it works is you recommend other people's products using a special link they give you, and then when someone clicks your link and purchases the product that you recommended, then you get paid a commission, which is a percentage of the sale of that specific product that you were recommending. It's a quick and easy way to make an extra couple hundreds to thousands of dollars online without needing to go through the stress of actually creating your very own product. So now that you know what it is, you can go ahead to start this process on Pinterest. And in case you're wondering why Pinterest, well, I want you to keep in mind that Pinterest is a very popular platform. In fact, it has over 498 million monthly active users. But the most important fact you need to keep in mind is people go to Pinterest seeking inspiration for things that they typically end up buying. Like 8 out of 10 times, people make purchases from inspiration and items that they found on Pinterest. So that is something that you need to keep in mind. Pinterest is a great platform to get started with, and something you need to know before you do this method, which is where people tend to go wrong. You need to understand who really makes up those 498 million people. Well, the majority of Pinterest users are actually women, particularly women between the ages of 18 to 34. When you're recommending products on Pinterest, you want to recommend products that's catered for that specific audience. And that is how you could higher your chances of getting sales when you're targeting the products you're recommending audience that already lives on Pinterest. So you now want to select a niche of sector of products to recommend that particular audience would be interested in. So for the sake of this video and in my case, I'll go ahead to go for the sector of book recommendations. Now, once you've decided on your niche that you're going to be recommending products in, the first thing you need to do is find an affiliate marketplace where you can access these products to recommend. So there's many different marketplaces you could choose from and sign up to. It all depends on what you're trying to recommend. So you can go ahead to sign up for Amazon affiliate marketing, ClickBank affiliate marketing. Even well-known stores like Walmart have affiliate programs. Or even if you're in the clothing sector, something as popular as Shein, you could also sign up to. So there is no limit on affiliate programs. You could simply search any brand or company that you could think of and add in the word affiliate program at the end. And most time there is an affiliate program that you could sign up to. But for the sake of this video, I'll be using the Amazon affiliate program. So in order to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program, what you want to do is come on over to Google and do a simple search for Amazon affiliate. And then it's going to give you this option where you're going to click onto it. And then it's going to take you to this page where you can click sign up. And then from here, you can log into your Amazon account or create a new account. And then it's going to make you follow steps to actually create your Amazon affiliate account. Most of them are that straightforward and that simple. You just simply sign up and then you get approved. And now the next step after you sign up for your program is to find the product or products that you'd like to create. So like I said earlier, I'm going for the niche of book recommendations. What I'm going to do is come on over to Amazon and I'm simply going to do a search for women books. So now from here, I could see a bunch of different books that I could recommend. So for example, something like this book over here, which seems to has over 74,000 reviews, seems like something good to recommend. So I could simply click onto it. And then once you've found the product that you want to recommend and you've clicked onto it, if you're using Amazon, at the top here, you see this option which says get link. You want to click onto it where it says text. And then from here, it's going to give you your affiliate link. This is the link you'd want to be sharing on Pinterest for when somebody purchases for that link. You get paid a percentage of the actual sale of the book, which would be a percentage of the sale of the $16.99. So now that you have your link here, you're just going to keep it right there because you're going to come back to it in a few seconds. Now that you have your product recommendation and your affiliate link, what you need to do now is create the actual video that you're going to be sharing on Pinterest to recommend your affiliate product. So in order to do this, it's very, very simple. And I'm going to show you the new AI tool, which makes it super duper simple. What you'd want to do is come on over to HeyGen, and you could find the link for HeyGen in the description below. Now, once on HeyGen, what you want to do in this sidebar, you see where it says new. Like I said, this is a brand new feature. You want to click where it says URL to UGC. Now from here, all you need to do is go on over to Amazon, and then you're going to go ahead to copy your affiliate link of the product that you want to recommend. Come back on over to HeyGen, and you're simply going to paste this link where it asks you to paste the link. And then you're going to click generate UGC videos. Now now it's going to take you to this page where it's going to verify all the information that it found on Amazon. Now, if you want, you can add in more media because as you can see, for this book, there was only one image. But if you have more images of this book, you can add it in yourself. If you have a physical copy of the book, then you could take videos or your own pictures of the actual book and click where it says add media and add it in here so you have even more content of the product in live action. If not, then that's okay. You can just keep it to this. And then once you've read through all the information and just verify that it is the right information that's on Amazon, all you need to do from here is click where it says looking good. And then the next thing you want to do is refine the target audience. So in here, my target audience is women, book enthusiasts, and readers. And then the next thing you can also do is select the language that you want your video to be in. So in my case, I'm going to keep it to English. And then you're going to click where it says next step. So now as you can see, it's now gone ahead to generate scripts for the video. It gives us 4 different options of the scripts ranging from noisemaker, super confident, narrative arc, and inspiring. And then what you want to do is read through all the scripts until you find one that you like. And if you find one that you like but it's still not quite where you want it to be, you can edit this script further by simply clicking onto it, and then you'll see this edit option pop up. You can click onto this edit option, and now depending on who and what type of product you're recommending, you may want to edit your script to sound a bit more maybe natural, a bit more professional, a bit more funny. Whatever angle that you want to go with is the way I recommend you edit your script to be. So I'll go ahead to do that right now. And then once you've done editing your script, you want to ensure that you click save changes and then hit where it says next step so that HeyGen can begin generating your video for you. So now once the video has been generated for you, you can go ahead to edit it a bit further in 2 different ways. The first way would be by selecting a different avatar. You can click where it says avatar, and then if you scroll through these sections, you could see a bunch of different avatars and different settings that you can utilize for your video. I like how this one is, so I'm going to stick with her. And then once you've selected an avatar that you prefer, you want to come back to where it says templates, and then you want to select the type of template that you'd want to use for this video. The one I recommend you use is either social share or full screen plus videos. Now with full screen plus videos, it's better to use this if you actually have like more videos and clips of the products, preferably if you have it physically with you, because then it will just be the same image popping in on screen on and off as you see here. So in my case, because it's just this one clip, I'll go ahead to use the social share one as I think it fits and it looks pretty natural. But I want you to also keep in mind that this feature has just been launched. They are working on adding a bunch more templates and a bunch more avatars to this feature. It's only going to get better and better as this feature continues to roll out. But from here, what I recommend you do is play your video just to ensure that the script sounds the way you want it to and the actual video looks the way you want it to. And then once you're happy with what it looks like, all you need to do is click where it says submit, and then it's going to show you this pop-up where you click back to home, and then over here your video will begin to be generated so that you could utilize on Pinterest. Now I know you guys are wondering what it looks like. Just hang on a second because I will show you soon. And then once your video is done generating, what you want to do is click onto it, and then you're going to click where it says download. Now once your video is downloaded, the last step that's missing for you to do is upload your video to Pinterest. So in order to upload it to Pinterest, what you'd want to do is come on over to your Pinterest page. So beforehand, you'd need to create your Pinterest account, ensure that it is a business account so that you'll be able to get access to way more analytics, which will be beneficial to you. But once on your Pinterest account, you want to come on over to where it says create pin, and then it's going to take you to this page. Once on this page, what you want to do over here where it says to choose a file, you want to choose the video that you just downloaded from HeyGen and add it into this location. And now the next thing you want to do is add in a relevant title and description of your video. Be sure when you're adding your title and description, ensure that you're using relevant keywords in your title as well as using those relevant keywords in your description as well, so that you can get a wider reach on your video, hence more clicks to your affiliate link. From here, the next thing you want to do where it says add link is to insert your affiliate link. So in order to do this, you're going to come on back over to Amazon, and then once again, you're going to locate your affiliate link by clicking where it says get link and click text. And then you're going to go ahead to copy the link. You're going to come back over to Pinterest and you're going to paste it in this section here. And then if you have a Pinterest board, you can select the board to add it to. And last but not least, you want to add in the tag topics for your video. So for my case, I'll go ahead to add in book related keywords. So as you can see, I've gone ahead to add in these 5 different tags which are relevant to my video and my product. Once you've done that, all you need to do is click where it says publish, and then it's going to go ahead to publish your video to Pinterest. And then once you're done, if you come on over to your Pinterest page, you can now see the video on your page. Now hold on, I'm sure you're wondering, okay Monique, what does this video look like? I will show you what this video looks like, but I'm also going to show you what the process process will look like when someone now finds your video. What they're going to do is they'll see the video, they'll click onto it, and then after they watch your video, if they're interested in it and like it and want to purchase the book, what they're going to do is click onto the link at the top here, which is your Amazon affiliate link, and then it's going to direct them to Amazon where they can now purchase the book. And then if they go ahead to purchase this book, you will earn money from this. You will earn a percentage of that sale because they purchased this book using your affiliate link. But now I know you're thinking, okay, great, let me see what the video looks like. So here we are. It's time for you to see what this video looks and sounds like. And believe me when I say it's pretty impressive.
Hi y'all, this book called Hello Beautiful by Oprah is a book club pick and definitely a heartfelt exploration of love and resilience. It's an emotionally charged story of William Waters and the Padavano sisters. It has a blend of heartache and hope and is just a deeply moving tale that will for sure leave you breathless. I know it left me breathless. This book has had over millions of readers who have fallen in love with it, and I'm sure you will not regret being one of them. So go get your copy of Hello Beautiful because, trust me, you won't regret it.
This is what I really love about this tool. This video looked super real. And when I say super real, I mean like her lips was saying the exact script, the voice was matching up, even her movements was matching up to this. This looks like a real person recommending this book, which in a way it is, but it's not me, it's her. And to be quite honest, 9 out of 10 times people wouldn't even know this is AI generated. So this is just a simple and easy way you can create these types of videos without needing to show your face. And remember, this tool is still very new, and as more time passes, it'll continuously get better and you'll continuously be able to do more and more with this. So all you need to do now is continue making these product videos and bettering your videos each time to grow your page and grow your money. Using Pinterest was the first way I started earning money online with affiliate marketing. And remember, you can just as easily use this same strategy for other short form platforms that allow you to insert affiliate links as well. So now you know a way you can go about doing this method without needing to show your face. So if this was something you was interested in, you can go ahead to give it a go. But hold on now, don't click off this video yet, because if you want to learn more from me, which you probably should, then you need to check out this other video on my channel.